This is a Talk of the Town Extra.
I'm Tawanda Coleman. You know, it's tough to lose a job, but often a severance package may be there to help you with the transition. Attorney Jim Higgins is here to tell us what employees should consider when receiving a severance package. Hi, Jim.
Hey.
So are severance packages required in the state of Tennessee?
No. There's no law that requires an employer to give you a severance package, no matter how long that you've worked for a company. Now, employers use them quite frequently, and people get them because they can be both a benefit to the employer and the employee.
So what does your office consider when reviewing someone's severance package?
Sure. So we have an employment law division, and we do a lot of this. Now, what we're going to look at when we get a severance package is, one, does the amount seem fair? Because we review a lot of them, we're able to kind of give a general idea of what most of those severance packages should be, how much money should be there. You also want to look at what you're giving up. The employer isn't simply giving you a check. In return from that, you're usually relinquishing something. Any lawsuit that you might have against the employer, if you had a discrimination lawsuit or an ADA lawsuit, you're probably giving those things up. So we always want to make sure that there wasn't anything done wrong. Non-compete agreements in there sometimes. Tax issues can be in there. So there's a whole litany of things that you need to go over to say, okay, it's great I'm getting this check, but I want to make sure I'm not giving something more valuable up than the money I'm receiving.
So when should someone with a severance package contact your office?
They ought to call us as soon as they get it, because there's usually a time limit on the severance package. Often we can get an extension, but you don't have a lot of time, so you need to call in when you get the paperwork.
Right. Thank you so much, Jim. For more information, contact the Higgins Firm at the website you see on the screen or at the address.